Whew. It's been a long time, guys. It has been a long time. Well, first off, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting my channel, even though I haven't been consistent. We are back, going through some things right now in life. Most of you guys know that I'm a dad. I work a full-time job. I'm pretty much committed to my family, so I had to take some time off, but we are back with the build. In today's video, we're gonna be installing this Momo steering wheel. Hey, I'm Vic, and welcome to my channel. My videos mainly focus on my Honda Civic as I have a strong passion for Japanese cars, art, and anime. I do installs, product reviews, how-tos, and daily vlogs. Join me and my friends as I showcase their cars, attend cool events, and take you on some of my life's many adventures. My goal is to inspire others to pursue their passions through my automotive experiences. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never did this before in my life. I've only watched videos on YouTube. So I figure I can help you guys as best as I can. I don't wanna make this a how-to because I don't really know how to, but I'm gonna how-to today.
What the hell did you just say?
Here are all of the things that I have. So you have your hub from NRG, your quick release, the horn, some hardware, Loctite, some wires for the airbag light, and then I got some Chasing J's fancy titanium bolts. So first step I think is to unplug the battery. Anytime you're working with the airbag, just make sure that you disconnect the battery because any type of electrical charge can set it off. So you kind of want to wait 15 minutes just so that way it's safe. I'm gonna do that now, and yeah.
Nick Jr. will be right back after this.
Alright guys, so once you are done taking out your airbag, now that we have our airbag plug taken out, you'll see that there are these 8 holes. NRG supplies you with the relays so that way the airbag light isn't on. So I'm gonna get more into detail on that in a second, but first I'm gonna try to attempt to take off this 14mm bolt. And yeah, one step at a time. What you're gonna do is take these 2 resistors for the airbag. This basically lets the airbag know, okay, like obviously there's no more airbag, so it's just gonna make it think that there is one. Wanna plug it into the bottom, and it's gonna be into the smaller holes here. So just plug those into the small holes like that. Take your other set. All right, so now you should be with something like this. And again, just make sure everything is straight. And now we're gonna continue on to the horn, which I will go ahead and get. I ended up cutting it. I know it's not the best looking.
Ugly, you're disgusting, I'm gonna kill you, give me $200.
But again, nobody's gonna see it under the steering wheel. So basically just need this wire here for the airbag. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in like so.
Nice.
Remember, you just need this specific wire, and then we'll get our hub which is this one right here. And we're kind of just gonna tuck everything in as neat as we possibly can. Take your 14mm bolt. Okay, so we're all torqued down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my part here. All right, guys, so I left out a crucial thing here. There is a grounding ring that's supposed to go on top of the hub in between the adapter. And there it is. I actually just chopped it up because it was like really big. But yeah, so you're supposed to put that in between the hub and that adapter. And then also, Momo dropped the ball. They didn't give me a retaining ring clip for the steering wheel and quick release. So my horn is just loosey-goosey right now. So I just ordered one a couple hours ago. So I'll have to get that. But aside from that, everything went pretty smooth. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just hook up the wires and yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments below. But yeah, let's continue the video. I'm gonna put some Loctite on. You guys don't need to go crazy with the Loctite. It's just a dab, honestly. Like, don't get all crazy with it. Don't do too much because you just need really just a dab. I'm gonna put that on now. You have that on. Next thing you're gonna want to do is attach your steering wheel to the actual quick release. So that is the next step. All right, guys, so I apologize for that last clip. My camera cut out. It was late. I was tired, but I got the wheel on. Everything looks great. I'm gonna show you guys some cinematic shots real quick. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Also, real quick, your boy got accepted to Elite Tuner, so I'm super hyped on that. It gives me more motivation to work on the car and to show you guys more content. So again, if you guys are supporting the channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm shooting for 5K next, so hit you guys with the cinematic shots. See you guys in the next video. Peace.